What's going on YouTube? I'm back at it again with another video, and today's video is I got the second car, guys. I got the second car. I bought it yesterday and took it home in the rain yesterday. So I'm gonna show you guys the second car. It's basically already clean. There's just I need to get a new bonnet for it because the bonnet that's already on it, for some reason the previous owner spray painted the bonnet black. I don't know why, or underneath you could still see the bonnet was blue. So yeah, that car is here now. It's a nice little Fiesta, I'll show it to you lot, but now I'm going to start the Focus, and I'm going to put the Fiesta in the driveway. But yeah, bow, let's go. About to start the Focus. Damn, it's got dust already. Nice and clean in here. There you go. Start it up. First time. Clean in here. There you go. And now, I'm going to show you the little Fiesta. It's actually not a bad car, man. Wow. The interior ain't bad at all. Pretty clean. Do you know what I mean? Just the steering wheel starts right up. Right. Gonna drive it into the driveway now. Damn, this was a bit zoomed out. Drives well. Yeah, it's not bad. Flipping out. Went up my driveway quick. Oh, I like this look. Open the bonnet. The box is clean. It's got the whole books and all that stuff. So look, this one's pretty cool. I don't know why. It's going to move on it tomorrow though. But apart from that, it's a nice car. I feel like keeping it for a project car, isn't it? It's a nice little car. Mad. Right, I'm about to clean this engine bay now. Get this car prepped and ready for sale. Tomorrow I'm going to Birmingham to get a new bonnet. What the hell are they done to this bonnet? But going Birmingham tomorrow to get a new bonnet. Dash that one. And yeah, apart from that, man, it's a nice little car, as I said. Let me open the boot. After this is buffed and polished, it's going to be mad. I mean, it's kind of a clean little car. Tell me what you guys think, man. The only way is up in it, you get me? So that's what I'm trying to do. Got 2 cars so far. Mad thing. see it's looking dull. This is my secret remedy. This stuff on the plastics. Literally, watch this. Basically back to black. You can see the difference that makes. There you go, that's the finishing product. Looks pretty new. Obviously when it dries it's going to be a bit better. But from what it was before to now, yeah, I took this little thing off here because it had a little bit of paint on it. I'm just going to get rid of that paint right there. And really clean all around there as well. Then I'm just going to give the car a nice detail. I'm not going to film that bit anyways. But yeah, mad. See the spray paint's going, microfiber cloth and fingernail polish remover, and that paint is gone. Look, it's coming off. Let me show you what I'm doing. Get this here like this. And literally just go like this. There you go, it's all done now. Bow. It's all off. Yeah, it's time to put it on, innit? Alright guys, just polishing the cover. I've done this side and the other side, I haven't done the rear boot lid yet. But you can see before, or after, and before. Look how the car is showing. Even look at the forward, the ring this side. On the front bumper. This here, I don't know why they spray painted that. I might have got some black on here and spray painted. So I'm probably just gonna. Actually, no, it's probably black up here, isn't it? I'm probably just gonna get in the bin. I'm getting the bonnet tomorrow, so I'll see if they got the bin as well. Just tie it off. See, we've got a bit of spray on the door. I can get rid of that. Apart from that, shine up the boot here, cleaned all around here, and I'm about to give it a little bit of a shine. Just a little bit. Just where I looked before, after. Alright guys, I just ran out. Right, look at this side and how that's looking. And then look at the boot. That was looking all terrible and grey and stuff. And I started doing this side a bit, but I ran out right here. So it's started like this and make it like that. I have to clean the wheels now. that's it for today's video. Tomorrow's video we're going to be collecting the bonnet. Keep tuned in it. Alright guys, that's me done for today. I'm going to show you how the car's looking. I ran out of some products, but let me show you how it's looking right now. It's looking pretty shiny. I just got the roof left to do.